3 things you need to know about the iPhone 12 Pro in today's episode of Apple Pie. What's up guys, my name is Joe and this is Apple Pie. In today's episode, I'm going to tell you 3 things that you might not know about the iPhone 12 Pro. And I think you should, so stick with me. Number 1 thing that you might not know about the iPhone 12 Pro is the battery size. In the case of the iPhone 12 Pro and the 12 Pro Max, we have seen a battery size reduction compared to the 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max. In the case of the iPhone 11 Pro, we had a 3046 milliamp battery, while in the 12 Pro, we have a 2815 milliamps. Almost 200 milliamps are gone. Now, Apple does say that software optimization helps and we're gonna have the same battery life. There have been tests that 5G can actually lower your battery life expectancy by 2 hours. In the case of last year's iPhone 11 Pro Max, we had a 3969 milliamp battery, while in this year's edition, so the iPhone 12 Pro Max, we only have a 3687 milliamp battery. So we can see the reduction over there too. Now these are big phones. They're gonna probably last you through the day, but 5G is something that's gonna hurt your battery and you have to be prepared for it. The second thing is there is a difference between the cameras. Now the iPhone 12 Pro comes with 3 cameras and a LiDAR, so does the iPhone 12 Pro Max, but there is a difference between the camera quality because the iPhone 12 Pro Max's cameras are better. So the comparison between iPhone 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max is not only the size, not only the battery size, but also the quality of the camera. In the case of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, an impressive feature that the wide lens incorporates a sensor shift optical image stabilization. The sensor is stabilized instead of the lens itself, which is actually a nice cost-cutting move on Apple's part, since lenses are more expensive with OIS built in. On DSLR cameras, sensor shift OIS is preferred by many because it allows you to replace the camera, which is usually cheaper than individual high-grade lenses. That doesn't matter on the iPhone, but it does help control motion better while maintaining sharpness since a sensor is not as heavy as a lens. It aids in canceling low and high frequency disturbances such as hand movements and car vibrations. All in all, this means that if you are using an iPhone 12 Pro Max, you will have a lot smoother video images than if you're using an iPhone 12 Pro. And finally, the third thing you need to know about the iPhone 12 Pro is actually not about the iPhone 12 Pro, it's about the whole iPhone lineup. The Mini, the 12, the 12 Pro, and the 12 Pro Max. Not all iPhones are the same. In the US, you have millimeter wave antennas built into the phone. So do you in Japan and Korea. But everywhere else in the world, you do not get the millimeter wave antennas built in. Everywhere else, you're limited to the sub 6 gigahertz antennas, which will affect on the long term the speed of which you can download things. Now, even Apple says the sub 6 gigahertz is capable of 3.5 gigabits, while the millimeter wave is capable of 4 gigabits of speed downloads. I will want to test both. I will be getting a US version and a European version, and if there's a millimeter wave antenna around, I will check if the European models do connect in some way or form and what kind of speed difference we can see. But if you're buying these and millimeter wave is really important for you, be sure to check out Japan, Korea, and the US because that's where you can buy them. Guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want to see more Apple related videos, then this is the channel. Hit the subscribe button, the little notification bell helps. And also, this video was sponsored by the subscribe button. Exactly, that's all you need to do. Thank you very much, guys. Until the next video, stay safe and hang loose.